Have you ever wondered how your heart works? This powerful organ, about the size of your fist, keeps you alive by pumping blood throughout your body. But what exactly is going on inside of it? Let's dive in. The heart is made up of 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Oxygen-depleted blood from your body enters the right atrium, gets pumped into the right ventricle, and then is sent off to the lungs for a fresh supply of oxygen. On the flip side, the left atrium receives this newly oxygenated blood from the lungs, passes it to the left ventricle, which then disperses it to the rest of the body. But how does the blood move from one chamber to another without going back? That's where the heart valves come into play. The atrioventricular or AV valves, namely the tricuspid and mitral valves, separate the atria from the ventricles. Then, the semilunar valves, the pulmonary and aortic valves, control the blood flow out of the ventricles, ensuring it only goes one way. Now let's talk about the coronary arteries. These important vessels supply the heart muscle itself with the oxygen and nutrients it needs to keep beating. The left coronary artery splits into the left anterior descending artery and the circumflex artery, while the right coronary artery nourishes the right side and bottom of the heart. The bulk of the heart's wall is made up of the myocardium. This muscle layer is thicker in the left ventricle because it has the heavy-duty job of pumping blood to the entire body, while the right ventricle only needs to send blood to the lungs. Inside the heart, lining the chambers and valves, is the endocardium. This delicate, smooth tissue allows for the easy flow of blood within the heart. Protecting all this is the pericardium, a sac that the heart sits in. It's filled with fluid that reduces friction, allowing the heart to beat smoothly and without irritation. Lastly, we have the heart's electrical conduction system. This is the heart's own specialized system for generating and coordinating electrical impulses that regulate the rhythm of your heartbeats. The sinoatrial or SA node kicks things off, initiating the electrical signals. The atrioventricular or AV node then picks up the coordination of these impulses before they spread out through the heart muscle. So there you have it, the heart in all its glory. From its 4 chambers to its electrical conduction system, each component plays a vital role in pumping blood and maintaining circulation throughout your body. All these parts working together make the heart an impressive and essential organ. Understanding its anatomy gives us a deeper appreciation for its complexity and the vital role it plays in our lives.